Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Natty. I just wanted to let you guys know that today I am doing a seafood boil with my girl Monique, and that's what I will be recording throughout the day, what we're doing, how it's going, and things like that. So I will show you guys what I did so far. Right now it's about 10 in the morning. I was up since about 6 o'clock, and I just wanted to share with you guys how we have to prepare. So let me show you what I did so far before we actually get started with our cooking. So here we go, okay? So I had to lay some dishes out. I kind of have them scattered all over my place. Also wash our trays, okay? I prepared some stuff here this morning, kind of set some stuff up for us so that when it's over, it's kind of already in the process of getting stuff done. So guys, I will show you in a bit how we get this thing going and what my kitchen will be looking like in a few. So here we go. Guys, I also wanted to share with you, I don't just do the seafood boil on Fridays. I also work my main job. I do work at a college. If you're from Toronto, Canada, I work at Centennial College. So we are working from home. And so I will basically be working for my main job at the college and then doing the seafood boil also on the side. So I'm actually doing two things today. I've done it before. It was a little bit like, it was a lot to do. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but honestly, I love it. I love being busy and I love just trying to push and try to do something better than the day before. So today, that's what I'm doing. I am working my main job from until about 4:30. So in that time of me doing my main job, I will also be assisting, not really assisting, sorry. I also will be helping my partner with the cooking and preparing the food for the orders that we have for this Friday. So that is basically what my Friday is wow, Nat, wow. That is what my Friday will be consisting of. Guys, does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but leave your comments down below if that makes sense, or if it doesn't make sense, let me know. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So I'm now setting up for my main job, and I will keep you guys posted on what's to come a little bit later with the seafood boil. All right? Hey guys, well, we are back again in the kitchen. So now we are actually we're almost kind of done. This is what we have so far going on. There's nothing in there right now. We got the crab about to go in the pot. Some stuff in the oven. And we are prepping. And there's Monique. I mentioned her earlier in the video. And it's about to go down. Guys, this is our live lobster. It's moving. Oh my god. Your fault. Don't do that.
Or look in my text. Matthew texted to me.
Hey guys, so we are on our way to our drop-off for our seafood boil. What it's like in the car, we are vibing. Say hey, Mo! Have to record. Sorry, it's part of our little.
I'm so excited. What's up? Catch me in my bocce shorts. Like,
Right? Yes, Nikki in her pom-pom shorts. Another drop-off with sauce on the side.
This is so good. I'm so
No
fed.
problem. Anytime.